Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today, we'll be doing a Throwback Thursday of the APB in Broadside double pack. So, this is back when Blue Desert was the primary packaging. We see APB, we see Broadside, we see the Demolition Derby logo. On the back, you see Miss Fritter pushing Patty, Bill, and Sigler. We see It's Crazy 8 Night at Thunder Hollow Speedway, and these two. So, this pack is pretty good if you didn't have APB or Broadside. I'm needing it for Broadside, so I'm going to have a bunch of Demolition Derby racers. So, that's going to be a shame, because I'll have a bunch of repeat Demo Derby racers. Which, it's not going to be bad, because more of those are always nice. Anyway, let's get these guys unboxed. So let's get into the review of these guys. So let's start with APB. I've already gotten an APB. I'm kind of mad, like I've been all week, about the whole, like the kind of nice finish they put on these, like the wheels and everything. But just the Demolition Derby guys, come on, they should not be perfectly like finished. But you know, whatever. APB was one of the cool ones because he had like the broken siren. And they actually put the details on under these little stubs that he had of showing that the exhaust came out. See Broadside. He's got the 25 on the side, the blue, and the bars. And Flip Me Over, which that's interesting. Which is, and the dirt. But see, the dirt's nice. The 25's cool. I like how they spray painted on a mustache on him. Because, like, it's kind of a funny nod. Kind of got the chains like Miss Fritter does on, like, the headlights, which is very, very interesting.